A'ohe pau ka ike I ka hālau ho'okahi. All knowledge is not taught in the same school. It is in this spirit that Ile'aka Hula exists, to give dancers access to various reputable kumu hula and cultural practitioners to expand their knowledge on the diverse style of hula. And I'm so grateful to have these two wonderful human beings with us to tell us more about this 3-day event coming up this week. It is Kumu Hula Vicky Holt Takamine. She's our Executive
Aloha.
Director of Pa'i Foundation. Aloha Kumu. And we also have Kumu Hula, Michael Pilipang, who is the chair of Ile'aka Hula. Aloha Kumu. Thanks you guys so much for joining us.
Mahalo for the invitation.
This is my ka'i. Okay.
Yes.
So I was just kind of looking at all the different kumu that are participating. I'm excited. Can you tell us a little bit about what Ile'aka Hula is all about? Kumu, Michael.
Yeah.
We bring kumu hulas from our community and we share our hulas and workshops. It's going to be taking place at the Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center. Our partners there, we use their storefronts. They're empty storefronts, and the people come into classes, as well as we have a cyber class also. So the classes are zoomed out to people all over the world.
Okay, so we're in person, and we are also teaching online, and we're
Yes.
going out worldwide. So who can or should attend these workshops? Like, what kind of student would you folks want coming in to participate in these kind of workshops?
Yeah,
Kumu.
so we invite everybody to come and learn a little bit about Olelo Hawaii. So, we're trying to, for our hakumele composers, that some of them that are coming to share their mo'olelo, like Kainani Kahonaele. I want her to talk about her mo'olelo, about why did she compose this mele? What do you see? How do you think about these things as a composer? So I think that's really fun. And then Kaulana Mahina is with Kalenu Hiva. So she's going to talk to us about how we look at the moon and how come sometimes we get up and we just don't want to do anything because the moon is in an ole phase.
We're feeling it.
Yeah,
We're feeling it in
right,
our bodies. Now, Auntie Vicky, why is it important for Haumana students of both hula and Hawaiian language and even Hawaiian music, why is it important for them to learn from reputable sources?
It's critical for us to learn from people who are advocates, but also who are knowledgeable about Hawaiian culture. Oftentimes we see a song or being performed, and they're really not interpreting it the correct way.
Because it's a YouTube culture, yeah? We have a lot of people that they just go online and they try to see if they can learn it that way, right?
So often they think that, we'll take this mele and look at the translation, and you can say, okay, there's the sun and the rain, but the story is really talking about the rain first, and the sun came after to dry up all the rain. So if you're dancing to the English translation, in Hawaiian, we need to dance to the Hawaiian language.
Got it. So it's important to get it right.
Important to learn your mo'olelo, to learn the language, and to share those, that ike.
Oh, yes. And for those that are participating in person, there's actually a makeke, I heard.
Yes, on Saturday we're having a makeke.
Tell us all about that.
So the makeke, we've invited Native Hawaiian artists to come and bring their wares and share a little bit. You get to buy things from the artists themselves, the artists that created this. So I think that's the most fun about that.
I love that. Now, Kumu Michael, is registration still open?
Oh, yes.
Oh,
so
okay,
you can go to ile'akahula.com.
Nice.
And we have a registration there. You just sign up, and we will send you the information the night before, the registration forms. Otherwise, you can come. You can also come down straight to the Royal Hawaiian Center, the Helimoa Hale, the visitor center there, and you can register that day.
I love that. Over 10 kumu hula and cultural practitioners are participating as your instructors for this, and you get to pick and choose who you want to be with over this 3-day event, right?
Yes.
How exciting is this? All right, so family, make sure you guys get online. Again, that's ile'akahula.com. Is that correct?
Correct.
Awesome. Very big mahalo to our kumu hula. Thank you so much, family, for being here. And we're going to be coming right back with your happy birthdays.